Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make tahini. It's one of the main ingredients in hummus. And if you haven't done so already, consider subscribing to learn all the best recipes, tips, tricks and secrets. To get this recipe started, in a large frying pan, I'm going to bring it to a high heat and add 2.5 cups of raw sesame seeds. We're then going to toast these to a nice light brown colour, but be really careful as sesame seeds burn really quickly. And toasting the seeds off is optional. This just adds a more nutty flavour to the tahini. And the raw sesame seeds are actually more healthier for you, as when you toast them off, the sesame seeds release fat. Make sure you stir down the edges, as this is where it's going to toast the fastest. As you can see, I'm starting to get a nice light brown colour onto these. Just going to cook these for 1 more minute, and then they'll be perfectly done. And now after 3 minutes, our sesame seeds are nice and toasted off. I'm going to take them off the heat. Then in a food processor, I'm going to add the 2.5 cups of toasted sesame seeds. And 1/4 cup of olive oil. We're then going to pop the lid on. And then we're going to blitz this up to a smooth paste. Just going to scrape the sides down. And then continue to blitz. Then after about 5 minutes, we've got a nice smooth tahini paste. And then I'm going to pour the tahini into a sterilised jar. And this will also thicken up as the seeds cool down. I'm going to pop a lid onto this. And this can be stored in the fridge for up to 2 months. I really hope you enjoyed this video and learned something. And if you haven't done so already, consider subscribing to learn all the best recipes, tips, tricks and secrets. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and if there's any recipes that you'd like to see me make, please leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to make them. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.